You want some tin foil? No tin foil either, huh? There she goes. And that's the tin foil. You want to check it out? Come here. Go see what that is. See? Yeah, just tin foil, huh? Rena, can you get it? Look, Rena. Rena, get the tin foil. Look right there. Get it. Bring it here, Reen. Bring it here. Get it. Somebody bring it here. Rena, you're going to bring it here? Sonny, can you get it? That's a girl. Bring it here, Sonny. Go on. Go get it. Rena, get it. That's it. Bring it here. Good job. Bring it here. Oh, thank you, Rena. You afraid of the tin foil? Come and look at it. Check it out. No, she says, I'm gonna leave. I don't need it anymore, Reen. Uh-oh. Can you give it to Sonny? Give it to Sonny, Reen. Can you give it to Sonny? Yeah, see? Nothing to be scared of, Sonny.